Hi teachers, in order to manage your cancellation hours, you need to go to the registration survey module. You have here parent-teacher meetings module where you can manage your cancellation hours. If you click here, then you will see that you don't have any cancellation hours for now. To create the new cancellation hour, you need to click the red button here, and after that the new cancellation hour button. Here you can specify the date, so it can be 1 day or 2 days or 3 days, so you will just select the date. You can specify the start time, end time, so the end time, let's say till 4 o'clock, and here you can specify the duration of the meeting. So it will not count automatically the break time, so it's better to include here also the break times. So for example, the cancellation is for 20 minutes plus 5 minutes break time, so total 25. So it will count automatically that you have here 7 time frames per 1 day. In the participants section, you can specify who can book the cancellation hours for your time. So for example, it can be parents and students from whole school, or you can specify the particular class, for example, only 3 Champa. Or you can specify only for your course, let's say English B, mathematics. And it means that it will be shown to these participants. It will not send any notifications for now. And you can specify here the booking deadlines so that it can be able to book before and after some time, so that you will check yourself with a particular time. If I specify here that it can be disable booking before, let's say, the Saturday 9, so that 3 Champa parents and students can book only after 9th of December. And before, let's say, the 11th of December. And you need to also specify the time. For 9th of December, let's say 9 o'clock, 11th of December, let's say before the start of the cancellation hours, let's say 12. So that you will check one more time after 12 and you will see all the lists of students or parents that booked the cancellation hour. Also, you can specify here some kind of notes, maybe bring kind of details or the room, let's say 300 for the consultation hours, and so on. And if you save it now, you will have now the consultation hour. So it's for the 11th of December, Monday, for 3 Champa, and here is the note, room 300, and here you have 7 time frames for the particular day. And if you click now here, you will see that for now it's not booked yet. So whenever there is a booking, you will see that booking done with the parent or student, and you also can specify here, for example, yourself, so that maybe someone just called you that I want to book for a user. So user, let's see that Justin, consultation topic, maybe turn 1 results, and let's book now. So you also can book yourself, or parents can book themselves. So you will see the list of students that booked the consultation hour with you. Now it will update and show that, okay, for now you have 1 student in the list. Also, you can send a notification to the parents so that they will be notified that they have the consultation hours available. So let's say that we will select the parents and students, and it's for 3 Champa and all students. And here you can specify the text. For parents, it can be in 1 language or 2 languages, etc. And here is the default text, so that when the parents click this message, they will see the consultation hours for a particular teacher. If you want to edit the consultation hour, you just click the edit button, so you will see the same window here. You can adjust the time or any kind of notes. Also, you can cancel the reservation of the student. So if there are any changes, you just click cancel here. And you can delete the entire consultation hour for the Monday, 11th of December. And if you go now to the class register, so we can see here that we have the consultation hour from 1 to 4 for this day. So if I click now the consultation hour, I can see here also the list of students with the time frame, so that I can manage my time according to